Good morning everyone. It's a gloomy and windy Friday and I've decided to make breakfast. Come join with me as I cook our breakfast for today. Good morning everyone. I'm back with another recipe and today we're making Longganisa fried rice. To start off, I have my leftover homemade Longganisa, as well as this is some rice that we had yesterday. I put it in the refrigerator. These are my garlic, eggs, Knorr seasoning or liquid seasoning, salt, garlic powder, pepper, and some oil. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, so let's start by adding a few tablespoons of vegetable oil, around 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna add lots and lots of garlic. The reason why I'm adding lots of garlic is first, I'm gonna saute half of it, and then the other half, I'm gonna top it on the finished product later. I'm just gonna grab some spoon and saute until it's golden brown and crispy. It'll take about 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. I'm just gonna set aside some of the garlic, place it over my bowl, and then the rest I'm gonna saute together with my rice. I think it's better if you use day-old rice instead of the bagong luto. So mix it well. I'm also gonna add in my leftover Longganisa. I'm just gonna crumble it and pour it over. Oh, sana kasha. I hope it fits. Okay. Also gonna add probably a teaspoon of garlic powder just to intensify the garlic flavor more. Gonna put some salt. The garlic powder doesn't taste salty, okay? It just gives you the garlic flavor. It's not garlic salt. So that's the difference. I'm gonna add some pepper as well. And of course our liquid seasoning. If I still have some. Oh yeah. And then just mix it very well. Later on I'm gonna top this with green onions as well. And then our fried garlic. And then I'm gonna fry some eggs. And then we have the most perfect breakfast for the family. I'm gonna continue mixing. And then I'll show you the finished product later. Okay, so our fried rice is done. I'm gonna transfer it into a serving plate. And then we're ready to eat breakfast. As you can see guys, it didn't take a long time for us to prepare this Longganisa fried rice. It's a simple yet delicious meal that the family will enjoy. Just gonna top it with our fried garlic a while ago and our green onions. There you go guys, this is my version of Longganisa fried rice. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you!